Okay, in this geometric construction problem we are given two arcs to start with, and we're asked to create a tangent arc in between them. So basically filleting in between the two given arcs. So the way you want to start this is we need the compass. You're going to set the compass to the first arc's radius. So normally this could be done simply by adding measurements that are known. Since this is an unknown, I'm just going to match up my compass to what we have to start with. And we know that the radius that we're supposed to have is a 0.75 inch radius. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this existing radius that we have here and add the 0.75 to it. So we're on a scale of 1 to 1, so I'm going to take my ruler, set it down there, and the easy way to do this is set this so that you're in line with the ruler, so on the pin. And I'm just going to set the lead to a whole number. It doesn't really matter which one. And I'm going to adjust this so that I'm adding 3/4 of an inch. So set that up. And I come back here with the pin of the compass at the original arc's center. And I'm going to make a construction arc that's concentric. So again, not super dark on the paper, just light enough that you can see it. Now we repeat that with the other one. So I'm going to take this existing size and I'm going to add 3/4 of an inch to it. Put the pin at the center of that one. And again, make a construction arc out there so that they crisscross. So that new point that we just have that they intersect, that's now the center for the fillet arc I'm looking for. So the last step then is to set the compass to the 0.75 that we're looking for. And we should now have our arc that's tangent to both. So when I go to draw this one can be darker because that's what we're ultimately looking for. And it should be tangent to both arcs. And we can erase any overlap because I went over just a hair there, so that we have just the transition. So we have one arc, smooth into the next, smooth into the next. And that's called filleting, which in this case it's a tangent arc given to two existing arc segments.